Hi guys, welcome, bienvenidos or no, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how we're going to create this beautiful look. It's a halo look. So this is an old look that I'm actually recreating. A friend of mine saw a picture that I posted and said that, oh, I need to make a tutorial how I did this look, and I was like, okay, this is going to be the first makeup tutorial I'm going to video when I get a camera. And I finally gotten the camera and I finally gotten the boldness to start a YouTube channel. So here's a look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Stay tuned while you see how I did it. Now I'm just taking my spoolie to brush up my brows to prepare it for filling. I'm taking my Ebony Anastasia gel pomade and I'm filling in all my brows. How's everybody's weekend going? Do you have plans for the weekend? I have so many things to do. So right now you can see I'm just using my angled brush to fill in my brows. Then I took my ColourPop concealer in the shade 46 to clean up my brows using a flat brush. Same concealer I'm going to use to prepare the base to apply my shadow. I'm using my Morphe 350M shadow palette. It has all neutral colors to apply shadow onto my eye before I go in with the colors we'll use for this halo look. Now I'm taking my House of Tara International palette in the name Margaret Echo. I'm using the darkest purple to filling the corners, the outer corners of my eye and the inner corner of my eye. I'm just using a fluffy blending brush to blend out any harsh lines. Now I'm stamping in a lighter purple color into the inner and outer corners. Then I'm taking the same brush I used to clean up my brows to cut the crease. So I'm gonna do like a half sun in the middle of my eyes. Just using my brush to gently make sure that I've carved out the place that I'm going to put a lighter shadow. Then I took my BH Cosmetic eyeshadow palette in the color Blush Neutrals and I used that light color in the middle of my eye. Then I took the dark purple from the same palette to just blend it in with the middle color to just create a flawless transition. Now you can see I took a darker brown from the 350M palette and I'm just using it to blend in to create more depth and color. In with a light champagne color from the Sleek Curious palette, I'm just going to put it on top to make sure that it looks a bit popping. Taking my Inglot N77, I'm just going to create the perfect ring. Then I'm going to take Bees Lashes in Lasciti and apply on my lash, and then I'll be right back, guys, while I do my foundation on all off camera. Okay guys, so I didn't finish showing the whole look in the video. I just showed you the eyes, and to just tell you what I did after, as you can see, I lined my eyes with the colors I used from the Tara International palette, the two purple colors I used. Just going to show you. That is this color I used first, then I used this color. Then after that, I went into my Sleek Curious palette and I used the color that I used on top of my eyelid in the center just to make it a bit brighter. I used it in my tear duct, can you see that? And I used it in the middle under my lashes. So let me show you guys that color again. That's this color. Yeah, and that's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, tell a friend about me, share the link, let me know if there's any looks you want to see, anything you want me to talk about, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.